Hello there. Michael from the team at Seller Labs here to show you the latest piece of software that we've built, the FBA Shipment Builder. We created this piece of software in order to improve the process of doing box content when you are sending a shipment to Amazon or FBA. Let's go ahead and jump into it. This connects to your Amazon API. So once you have created a shipment in Amazon, we can select it here. We'll give it a second to load as it pulls in the information, and then we'll be able to select the pack group because Amazon splits everything out into pack groups. This one's already been worked on, so we have a ton of boxes here already entered. If I click on one of them, it shows you what content is currently in it. But if we wanted to add something new, we could add boxes here. This pops up your prompt where you can enter your box information. As you're packing it, you can also come back. Like if you don't know the weight before you've packed the box, you can come back and add it later. We have the ability to bulk add or add duplicates to different functions. One adds a bunch of empty boxes if you don't know what they're going to be, or if you're sending an entire pallet of just one product, everything's going to be the same. So you can enter all of these here and change your duplicates. But real quickly, once you have a box and you're ready to do the content, if you have a USB scanner, you can just scan the funds queue right there. I just have a copy and paste here. That's going to pull up this, show you a bit more information, make sure the picture matches, information about it, and then you can add your quantity, however many you need to add, and it adds it right over here. Our second tab here is the totals of the shipment. This shows you everything that you've scanned currently, how much quantity Amazon is requesting, what it thinks from the shipment that you've created, and then how much you've scanned in. Everything's green, so we're all good except for this one down here, which is red, because I just added it. It's not actually on this shipment. We also have a way for you to verify everything. This is just straight up what Amazon is providing, what they are expecting for this shipment. So if you need a way to resource everything is here. Now we can go ahead and jump into a different one so I can show you the final step, because I don't want to submit that to Amazon since it has something that we won't actually be sending. Our final step here is to finalize the packing information. This is where we go through. Our first step is to verify. We do an error check ourselves to make sure that the boxes all line up, that you're not missing the weight off of anything, that everything is scanned in properly. Then it goes into here. We submit this packing information to Amazon. As long as everything's accurate, it'll process through and then let us go to the next step. This is where if Amazon gives any error messages themselves, if something is wrong on their end, we have two error checks just for redundancy to make sure. We provide one so that you're not submitting information incorrectly to Amazon, and then Amazon themselves provides their information. It's not submitted yet. We've done that. They've got a couple of warnings here. These are Amazon's things. We also, for our boxes, once we select the pack group here, we have a weight of 1 pound. That's not what they expect it to be. That's fine. This is not a real shipment that we're actually. Our final step is to submit all of that after it's been submitted to Amazon here. It'll come in here and it'll tell us the ID that Amazon provides, because Amazon does a fun thing where we've got our box number here for our pack group that doesn't align to anything. They create what their own system is. So now you need to know which box this is and how you can go line it up with what they have for their ID and what's in it. So you can actually put the stickers on the box. And that is our tool for box content when doing a shipment to Amazon.